एक्ने स्कार्स, वो दाग जो कभी जाते नहीं. Hi, I am Dr. Asmita Kapoor and welcome you all to today's topic, that is acne scars. ये बहुत ही important topic है, as you all know that every one of us faces acne at some point of time. तो acne scars होते क्या हैं? सबसे पहले तो ये होते हैं स्किन की सरफेस से या तो नीचे जैसे कि गड्ढे जो बन जाते हैं या उठे हुए स्कार्स. दो टाइप के स्कार्स एक्ने फॉर्म करता है विच आर अट्रोफिक एंड हाइपरट्रोफिक. तो अब इनको ट्रीट कैसे किया जाए, इस चीज़ में सबसे ज़रूरी तो है प्रिवेंशन इज़ क्योर. टाइमली ट्रीटमेंट एंड करेक्ट ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एक्ने कैन प्रिवेंट दी स्कार्स फ्रॉम फॉर्मिंग. But if at all you have acne scars now, what are the options for these? So based on the type of your acne scar, if you have an atrophic scars also are of certain types. An ice pick scar, which is a tiny scar but with very great depth. That scar is treated by a chemical called as a TCA cross, which gives very good results over 3 to 4 sittings. Then coming to other types of scars, which are rolling scars and box scars. अब इनके लिए क्या ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शंस हैं? देखो, एक स्कार के लिए there is no complete cure. Once a scar, always a scar. But we can greatly improve your scars by a combination of treatments. अब combination treatments में we have certain devices like microneedling devices, MNRF devices and fractional CO2 lasers. All of these combined with certain surgical procedures as well as PRP. These give very good results in acne scars, but you need consistent skin care as well and home care. Patience is the key here. Over 5 to 6 sittings you will see great improvement. Now that we've covered the types of scars, let's see how they form. So acne as a condition is sometimes associated with severe inflammation, and when this inflammation heals, there is an abnormal wound healing response in which there can either be collagen destruction, which is the protein that is the building block of your skin. If it gets destroyed, you will land up with an atrophic scar जिसको हम गड्ढा बोलते हैं. and अगर ये collagen deposition के साथ आता है, then it is called as a hypertrophic or a keloidal scar. What about over the counter medications and home care remedies? Do these work? Unfortunately for scars they don't really work that much, but if you are suffering from acne marks and you prevent the formation of scars in the early stages, then these can definitely play a role. But for scars you need a tailor-made treatment that is individualized for you. If you liked this video and found this informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.